Hey, what are you doing here?
I am seeing the water.
Yeah, it is looking too beautiful at night.
I remembered seeing the water. Have you heard about Cape Town?
No? What happened there?
It's the capital of South Africa. They have a water scarcity.
Come on, we too have a lot of water scarcity in India.
No, it's not petty scarcity. It's a dangerous scarcity. It has the worst situation in the world. The single family is getting 20 liters of the water for a day.
No, you are kidding now. Tell me it is not true.
No, it's true. I am very clear about that.
Then it is serious issue. But what are the reasons for water scarcity?
It may be due to uneven distribution of water, unequal distribution of rainfall all over the world, climatic change, hydrological imbalance.
Are scarcities due to only nature or humans to cause it?
Yes, I am telling. Demand of water increased with increases of population. It is not only required for human consumption but also for agriculture, industries and domestic purposes.
So are there any impact of water scarcity on nature?
Yes, they are. People have to walk long distances in order to fetch drinking water. Growth and development of the area is hindered because of non-availability of water. Water, though being a free resource, it is now being sold in price steadily increasing with the demand. People have to drink impure water that could lead to many waterborne diseases. Water scarcity could lead to conflicts between people, between states, and even between countries.
Oh, it's not only dangerous for nature but also for the humankind. As every problem has a solution, so there must be some ways to avoid water scarcity. Are there any?
Yes, they are. Fill sink water when washing dishes instead of letting water run. Use a bucket to catch the water while waiting for shower to warm up. Don't let the water run when brushing teeth. Install water saving fixtures and appliances. Flush toilets only when necessary.
Thank you, buddy. From now, I will never waste water and I will use it properly.
So let's take a pledge.
We will never waste water.